Welcome back everyone, my name is Joe and today I'm doing a brand new server tutorial. So I've noticed in the little past a few months people have been having problems when their servers aren't starting up properly when they click on the Run.bat file. Hopefully this video will help you and hopefully solve a problem or lead you to a solution what you can take action on afterwards. Now I just want to make very clear, this isn't guaranteed to fix your server straight away. I want to make that very, very clear. It's not guaranteed to. If you want a guaranteed video, this isn't the one for you, sadly. My plan is to hopefully help you to solve this problem and then find a solution if it doesn't work. So then, let's get started. So, I've already pre-made a whole load of Run.bat files with all different start codes in. Now, I've uploaded them to Dropbox, so there will be a link down below where you can download these. So, I'm just going to download them. And they come into a .zip file. And then when we open this up, we'll see a bunch of them. There will be a text file probably added, sort of just giving a brief worded tutorial for if you want to do that instead. So we're just going to drop and drag these into the file. And then we're going to close out of that. We don't need this anymore, so we can delete it because we've already got them in here. Now the first one I want you to check is Java version checker. So all this is doing is checking which version of Java you have on your computer. So I'm currently running Java version 1.8.1_171. So that is my Java version I am running. So if it does say 1.7, you are running Java 7, where I'm running Java 8. I would highly recommend you to update to Java 8 if you can, because they are different in the overall overlook. If you look at them in different lights, you could say. So I recommend you definitely update. If you're not quite sure you're not updated, the simple thing you can do is uninstall everything to do with Java by going to your computer panel, or your control panel, sorry, going to uninstall programs, type in Java, and there you go. So you've got two Javas here. Now, I do highly recommend you make sure you have Java 64-bit. You don't want Java 32-bit because it has problems with adding more RAM to your server. So just keep that in mind as well, please. So if you want to install this, all you got to do is click uninstall, uninstall, and then go to the Java website and re-download. There will be a link in the description. So then, these are the groups of run files. So the first one is very simple. It's just going to start up the normal server. This is one they use on the Minecraft website. So as you see, normal startup. But I want to make something very, very clear. Now, whatever you have in your jar file, if you find a different code online or so on, it's currently looking for server.jar. And as you see here, server.jar. These two have to be matching exactly. It can't be, you know, it can't be off by a letter. It can't be like that. It's got to be absolutely... I think it is cap sensitive. Don't quote me on that. But just make sure you absolutely exactly put, you know, whatever you put here. So let's say I put in, we could just mine. That simple. Now when I come to click on here, nothing will happen because it can't run. It says, you know, unable to access server.jar. So we need to actually match these names. So if we actually edit this one, so we can change this to mine. And we're going to save it. And then we're going to click run. And now it's located that server.jar or mine.jar, and it's opened up. So that's all we need to look up on there. So we're just going to stop them. I'm going to change these back to default so they work for everything else. So when you've downloaded all these and you drag and drop into your server, probably the easiest thing you can do is just change your server.jar file. So just, you know, right click, rename, and then just type in server there. And then we're going to edit this one so it's back to normal as well. There we go. And then we're going to save and click X. So then these are very basic jar files. Basic run files. They all do little bit different things. So that's one there. That's one there. So the two different, well, the difference between these two you can probably see quite quickly. So I'll open up the other one. There we go. So it's very simple. It's only, instead of looking for the minimum and maximum RAM, it's only looking for the maximum it can use. So pause, what that is, it's just keeping the console open after shutdown. That's when you got to say, when it says press any key to close. So very, very basic. So we can click on this one. They all do little different things. So this one's actually opening the GUI where the others don't. So we're gonna click X on that, and we can click stop on there. Now the ones with the A on the end is where you've actually got to configure to find your Java. So we're going to open this one, and as you see here, it's looking for the path to access java.exe. Now I'm going to show you how you can find this. So we just need to open up another file explorer, and then we need to actually go and find where your Java is. So normally it's on your main hard drive C, with where your Windows is installed on. Then we're going to click on Program Files. Don't click on brackets 36. You want to go on to Normal Program Files, look for Java. Then as you see here, I'm running, that's the Java version I showed you earlier. We're going to click on there, click on bin. And as you see here, we have Java exe. So now we need to connect that up. So you'll need to copy the top bar just by clicking on it. So as you see here, I just click on it and then copy. And then we're going to just paste that in here. So paste. So now then we need to actually direct it to run the server.jar, as you see here, wherever it went. There it is. So we're just going to add another backslash. So that's not the normal slash, that's the other one. It's a reversed one. And then we're just going to type Java exe. That's simple. And then we're going to save. Close that out, close this out, and click on run here. And there we go, it's opened it up. And that goes with the same one for, let's just close this. And that goes for the same one here. So slightly a bit different code, but this time it won't open the GUI. But I'm actually looking for the base Java, the different version of Java, so we can actually edit this back to the previous one. Because I want to use this one instead of the 32-bit Java. So backslash java.exe, and that's where my Java program is. So we're going to save, and then we're going to click on it, and it opens just up the black console instead of both consoles. And the server is ready to connect to. Use localhost unless you've port forwarded. You can use your IP. So then that's a different video for a different time. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this will help. If you can subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. And I will talk to you next time. So as usual, thanks for watching and goodbye.